Everybody have spoken about the physics paper which was horrible. But I will like to tell you all, छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी. Now what we have to concentrate on is your next paper which is chemistry. Here I am back with super 40 questions. And my claim is that on Monday the chemistry paper which you are going to have, same or similar kind of questions will be there. Before you start solving these super 40 questions, please make sure that you have gone through a textbook or the notes given by your school or classes teacher properly. Then only start solving these questions. Definitely these questions are very important. And when I have prepared a question bank, I have put lot of thought into it. I understand my responsibility, so I took some time to prepare this question bank. I will try to cover everything in 2 parts, but if not possible, I will include part 3 also. Please make sure that you solve this question bank with proper understanding. Because if same question does not appear in your examination, and if it is appear in some twisted manner or with some changes, you are in a position to handle that question as well. I am very hopeful that your chemistry paper is going to be very nice. You are going to get an easy chemistry question paper. Let's keep our fingers crossed. If you are not thorough with your concepts and if you find chemistry difficult, I will highly recommend you all to watch this video on YouTube. You can check my description box or you can go to my playlist of chemistry. There you will get these videos. So video number 1 is how to study chemistry in a correct manner. Many students study chemistry incorrectly. So here you will get right tips and tricks to study chemistry. Also I have a detailed video about the periodic table, and our question bank is all about periodic table and the chemical bonding. So before solving your super 40 questions, you can also refer to these videos. They are going to help you immensely. This is the printout of super 40 questions. But before solving this question, please make sure that you read your textbook or the notes given by your school teacher or by your classes teacher. How many questions are there? Yes, super 40 questions. Do them, but do them with the understanding. Solve this question bank, but solve with proper understanding. Go through this question bank minutely, because same questions will come there, and if not the same question, these questions will be turned and twisted. So you should be in a position to handle these questions if they are modified. I hope most of you must have already downloaded my app from a Play Store, that is PrepWin, or if not, what you can do is you can go to a Play Store. And on Play Store, you can type PrepWin, or simply you can type my name, that is Praveen Sonavne. You are likely to land on this page. So download this app, get the OTP, and you are ready to go. Once downloaded, go to Courses for You and Show More. There you will see Chemistry Super 40. Click on that and you will find this question bank. I already have uploaded part 1 and very soon I will come with next part. So keep learning and keep enjoying your studies. All the best.